Welcome to our channel where we provide the best strategies for mastering productivity. Productivity is an essential part of life as it helps us to be more effective and efficient in our daily activities. It is a way to get more done in less time, achieve our goals and be successful. In this video, we will share with you 10 proven strategies for maximum efficiency. By the end of this video, you will have the tools and knowledge to master productivity and achieve your goals. Focus on one task at a time. Multitasking is not an effective way to be productive. It is better to focus on one task at a time, give it your full attention, and complete it before moving on to the next task. This strategy will help you to avoid distractions, reduce stress, and increase your productivity. Use the Pomodoro Technique. The Pomodoro Technique is a time management strategy that involves breaking down work into intervals, typically 25 minutes in length, separated by short breaks. This technique helps you to stay focused and motivated by giving you a clear structure for your workday. Prioritize your tasks. It is essential to prioritize your tasks by ranking them in order of importance. This strategy will help you to focus on the most critical tasks first and ensure that they get done. It will also help you to avoid wasting time on less important tasks. Create a to-do list. Creating a to-do list is a useful way to keep track of all the tasks that need to be done. It will help you to stay organized, focused, and productive. Make sure to prioritize your tasks on the list and cross them off as you complete them. Take breaks. Taking regular breaks is crucial for maintaining productivity. It helps to recharge your brain and avoid burnout. Taking short breaks to stretch, meditate, or take a walk can help to boost your productivity when you return to work. Use technology to your advantage. There are many productivity tools and apps available that can help you to stay organized, focused, and productive. Use these tools to your advantage and find ones that work best for you. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for maintaining productivity. Lack of sleep can negatively affect your mood, cognitive function, and ability to focus. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to ensure that you are well rested and energized for the day ahead. Eliminate distractions. Distractions can significantly impact your productivity. Turn off notifications on your phone, close unnecessary tabs on your computer, and find a quiet place to work. This strategy will help you to stay focused and get more done. Delegate tasks. Delegating tasks can be an effective way to increase productivity. Identify tasks that can be delegated to others and trust them to complete them. This strategy will free up your time to focus on more important tasks. Use positive affirmations. Positive affirmations can help to boost your confidence, motivation, and productivity. Repeat positive affirmations to yourself, such as, "I am capable of achieving my goals, I am productive and efficient, and I am focused and motivated." We hope these 10 strategies for maximum efficiency will help you to master productivity and achieve your goals. Remember to focus on one task at a time, use the Pomodoro Technique, prioritize your tasks, create a to-do list, take breaks, use technology, get enough sleep, eliminate distractions, delegate tasks, and use positive affirmations. By implementing these strategies, you will be on your way to a more productive and successful life. If you're finding these productivity tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated whenever we post new content. Now, let's dive into the rest of the strategies.